In fact, they've just indicated a potential rate hike sometime this year, and that interest rates are expected to remain much more elevated than all of us were expecting. On top of that, today's the day where we get what's called the Summary of Economic Projections, which basically forecasts where the entire Federal Reserve thinks our economy is heading over the next few years. And in terms of what they just said, like I mentioned earlier, they're now expecting interest rates to increase a little bit in 2026 before falling back down again in 2027 and once again in 2028. They also expect inflation to remain elevated at 3.6% throughout 2026 before eventually falling back down again. Now, funny enough, one of the ways that we could tell where the market's heading in the future is based on what's called the dot plot, where every voting member gives the public full transparency as to what they think is best for the economy. But wouldn't you know it, Kevin Warsh wants to get rid of the dot plot entirely, under the impression that the Fed should signal less and do more, effectively